Anixum's exclusive bandage collection sarees. Now I am going to show you 3 different shades of pure modal bandage segment sarees. So this is saree number 1, big gold glitters a lovable yellow, just 3,000 rupees. In the exclusive sarees Anixum available. We have this pink as our saree number 2. So lightweight, so flexible, trendy saree. Weekly or hand wash iron podum. This is pallu, and we have same running color or plain blouse coming with bandage border. This is saree number 2, 3,000 plus shipping, and saree number 3, peacock blue tone a lovely saree. So super stack stored rate in the exclusive bandage silk sarees Anixum 3,000 rupees.